2017, and it is now 5:52 p.m. and the waves are getting bigger and bigger. The wind is starting to pick up, and it's going to be a nasty night here in San Carlos, Mexico. We're looking to have some strong winds, some 20-foot waves, and possibly some very heavy rain. So the tropical storm Lidia that was projected to follow the western coast of Baja has taken a slight turn, and so it's coming a little closer to us than initially anticipated. So yeah, we're getting hit pretty hard. The water has reached the wall several times this afternoon, and water has flooded back into the parking lot. You can see some standing water back there already from where the water has rushed up and filled the parking lot, the place where people are normally, dozens of cars are here on the weekend. People, families out here celebrating, having a good time at the beach. Today, thankfully, there's nobody here now. Earlier this afternoon, people were still swimming, trying to swim, even though conditions were treacherous. Now, everybody is starting to batten down the hatches and go home and hope for the best. Make sure they have enough supplies to get them through for a few days in case the electricity is lost later on. See some really, really large waves out there. This is getting pretty intense.